Look how beautiful the sunset is, Sophie.
Run, quickly! Get to the shelter!
I'll come back. This war will not break me.
You will cooperate or suffer the consequences.
We will not submit. I will fight! We don't leave them behind.
If we survive, there will be a tomorrow. The Nightingale.
Stay quiet, you're safe here! You're safe here.
Safer.
Tell us the names.
Never.
War takes everything.
It's over. Goodbye, Signor united him, and so many others. Her name was Isabelle Rossignol. Rossignol.